In the school of life, life is about endless learning. Feel the vibe of the longest beach, learn the power of inner strength. It's Royal Bengal Tiger's territory. For dangerously sweet reward, learn how to collect honey. Unlearn. Give yourself the surprise you deserve. Yes, you always loved racing. Learn to race without wheels. Here, every home is a school of celebration. When the heart opens, you suddenly learn to accept the invitation of happiness in its fullest version. See how hope defeats all boundaries. And how meaning of inner silence revealed in words. Experience the spirit of freedom in the air. The father of nation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, liberator of Bangladesh, rests here. Silence. Every alley has a story that embraces. Who else can tell you to love your language more? Feel the monsoon magic. You will learn the true meaning of warmth here. Here, life happens. Welcome to the School of Life. Admission going on. Welcome to beautiful Bangladesh.
Welcome to all of you to the journey to a land of greenery, culture and heritage, Bangladesh. Well, many of my fellow friends may not know where my country is. So at the beginning of the presentation, I would like to show you the location of my country. Bangladesh is surrounded by India on 3 sides and the other side is Bay of Bengal. We have a long history of culture, heritage and education which dated back 4,000 years. Being attracted to our enormous resources, the Dutch, the Portuguese and British traders started to move towards this region. The East India Company reigned in Indian subcontinent over 200 years from 1757. After a long period of suppression, the Indian subcontinent achieved her independence on 1947 from British rulers. In 1947, the Greater Bengal was partitioned to 2 countries named India and Pakistan based on religious majority. The then East Bengal, now Bangladesh, became a part of Pakistan and was named as East Pakistan. From the birth of the country Pakistan, there was a huge discrimination between East and West part of Pakistan with respect to development, language and culture. In spite of Bangla language being the language of majority people of East Pakistan, Urdu, the language of West Pakistan, was imposed as one and only state language. In this situation, a movement began within 1 year, which took a strong turn on the issue of language in 1952. On 21st February 1952, several people braved bullets to give Bangla the recognition as a state language. This is for the first time people shed their blood for mother tongue in the history. By this movement, Bangladesh crossed one milestone towards independence, and UNESCO declared 21st February as International Mother Language Day in recognition of this glorious event. The Pakistani rulers' continuous suppression and barbaric genocides on 25th March midnight 1971 didn't keep other ways open but to go for a liberation war, led by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation. The heroic resistance of our valiant freedom fighters and supreme sacrifices of 3 million lives through one of the largest genocides in the history of mankind gave birth of Bangladesh as a sovereign nation on 16 December 1971. The information of Bangladesh at a glance. National anthem and symbols. My friends, explore and enjoy the natural beauty of my country. Now I am going to introduce some of the tourist attractions of Bangladesh. This is one of the most beautiful coral island, the St. Martin. We have the longest sea beach of the world in Cox's Bazar. Till now, it is ranked number 1 among the 7 natural wonders of the world. You are most welcome in Kuakata if you would like to enjoy both sunrise and sunset from the sea beach. Well, if you are a bit adventurous, have a tour in Sundarbans, world's largest mangrove forest and the home of Royal Bengal tiger. Bangladesh is rich in ancient architectures. Here are a few of those. Bangladesh is an agro-based country. The other significant sources of GDP are trade, commerce and industry. Now I will show you some nice views of modern architectures in Bangladesh. Jamuna Bridge is one of them, which is the 11th longest bridge in the world. Please have a look at the arts and crafts of Bangladesh. The delicious sweets and mouth-watering curry of fish ilish are our traditional food. Bangladesh is not so far away from international fashion. Bibi Rasa, one of the pioneers in the fashion world, along with other Bangladeshi fashion designers, has taken the initiative to introduce our local fabrics like comfortable and eco-friendly cotton and gorgeous Jamdani sarees in the global market. This is Bangla New Year, a day of joy for all Bangladeshis irrespective of caste, creed and color. Sports in Bangladesh is totally dominated by cricket as we are the 10th test playing nation. At the end of the presentation, I would like to mention the highest honor, Nobel Peace Prize 2006, which was achieved jointly by Dr. Muhammad Yunus and Grameen Bank for their efforts to create economic and social development from below. Thank you all for your attention.
Thank you.